How to become an expert in your affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing involves businesses rewarding affiliates for each customer brought to the business's site through the affiliate's efforts. Affiliate marketers' methods for attracting customers for businesses can range from simple advertising to offering rewards to customers. If you wish to join an affiliate marketing program, then be sure to read the tips found in this video. A blog will be a regular way for you to interact with visitors, customers, and anyone who is involved in your field. A blog sets you up as an expert and allows you to get feedback from the people that you want to buy your product or service. When creating links as part of an affiliate marketing program, pay attention to your underperforming links and videos. If after about 200 clicks you have not seen a single sale, remove that link. That link is just sitting there costing you money and will not provide a return on your investment. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information, if not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. Make sure your affiliate programs match the content of your blog or website. You will have a lot more click-throughs and results when you have a product that your market has an interest in. A page dedicated to the fashion industry is not going to have as much luck selling printer toner. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates, and your total sales monthly. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, a great tip is to become involved in online communities. Therefore, join different message boards and forums. Make connections with many different people who may be interested in your products, and include a link to your site in the signatures of the forums you have joined. As stated in the video above, affiliate marketing is done by affiliate companies to help businesses draw in more customers to buy products and/or services. Using the tips that are featured in the above video, you can join an affiliate program that can help your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.